It's Tim Albright with AVNation at InfoComm 2025. My good friend Richard Hutton from Sharp. How are you, brother?
Tim, doing good, thanks. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely, absolutely. You guys have made some serious progress in the direct view LED market.
For sure.
One of the areas that you guys have gotten into recently is the all-in-one, which we're standing in front of now.
Yep.
Talk about why this particular product is really important for the IT managers and the education market.
It's super important simply because it's simple, right?
Okay.
It's very easy to set up. We're actually doing races in the office every time we set one up. I think this one took about an hour and 10 minutes. We're saying under 2 hours for 2 people to do it. It's very, very easy. Don't need to be certified to do it. It's also one cable. So what you're seeing here is just one cable, USB-C, hooked up to that laptop over there. Could not be easier. And if you've used our M line of products on the LCD range, it's the same on-screen displays, the same back engine that's powering this new all-in-one. Comes in 2 sizes, a 138 and a 165, 1.5 mil, 1.9 mil. We have very high expectations for this product, again, because it's an addition to that DVLED line, but it's don't need to be certified, just need to put it up. It's just a big screen.
So when you're talking to the folks that are managing these, why is that 1 to 2 hour install important? Are we taking this down, or is this a permanent install even though it's two hours?
Either way, it's not really designed to be kind of mobile, but we've got one in our office that we put on a peerless mobile cart.
Okay.
So you can move it around, just depends how you want to set it up. I think application-wise, we're going to see a lot of these get put into lobbies, auditoriums, cafeterias. Certainly in that higher ed market, it's got multiple uses, and it'll be a permanent install. But if you want to put it on a mobile cart, the cart guys, the mount guys out there are making those, and we've got one, and it just gets wheeled around our briefing center. So
you also mentioned the fact that it's one USB-C.
Yep.
Why is that important? That connectivity.
Again, it's just makes everything super easy. Okay, we've known each other a while.
Yeah.
I am not the most technical person. If somebody says all you got to do is plug a wire in and then it's just an extension of your laptop, I'm happy then. And there are some very smart AV people, particularly in higher ed. Maybe their faculty might not be so AV centric.
Yes.
So that simple message of just one cable, plug it in, and away you go. I think that's going to be really well received.
All right. Richard, somebody wants to find out more about Sharp. How do they do that?
Sharp Business USA, our website. We've got a ton of people across the country. Hit me up on LinkedIn. Come see us in the booth at InfoComm. We're in Downers Grove, we're in Montvale, we're in LA, we're across the country, so it's certainly easy to get hold of us.
All right, very good. Richard Hutton from Sharp. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv, and find more videos from the show floor of InfoComm 2025. All that and more at avnation.tv. avnation.tv.